In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the long text field in Airtable. If you've ever needed a place to store detailed notes, multi-paragraph descriptions, or rich documentation inside your base, the long text field is designed for exactly that. It gives you a roomy editor right in your table, with the option to format content so it's clear and easy to read. Start by heading to Airtable in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to capture longer content. Think of this as choosing the project and the sheet where your notes or descriptions will live. Next, add a new field or edit an existing one. You can add a new column by selecting the plus icon at the far right of your fields, or open an existing field's settings to repurpose it. Give the field a clear, descriptive name so collaborators immediately understand what belongs there, like notes, description, or meeting minutes. When the field customization panel appears, choose long text as the field type. This is different from a single-line text field because it's made for multiple sentences, paragraphs, and structured writing. If you expect to format your content, enable rich text formatting here. With rich text on, you can add emphasis with bold or italics, create lists, add simple links, and structure your writing so it's skimmable and professional. Once you've set it the way you want, click Create Field or Save. You'll see the new long text column appear in your table. To start writing, click a cell in that column. You can type directly in the cell or open the larger editor to get a more comfortable writing space when your content grows. This makes it easier to work with longer notes without losing context. Now, type or paste your text content. If you're pasting from another document, rich text will help preserve basic structure so you don't have to reformat everything. Use paragraphs, short headings, and lists to keep information clear. If you don't need formatting, you can leave rich text off and keep everything plain and simple. Finally, use this long text field for anything that needs more detail than a quick snippet. It's perfect for project briefs, product descriptions, research summaries, meeting notes, and handoff instructions. Keep entries concise but thorough and avoid storing sensitive personal information. With this setup, your table stays tidy while still capturing all the context your team needs.